Welcome to Animal Sciences. Victoria Crowned Pigeon Kingdom Animalia Phillips Chordate Class Evans Ordered Columbiformes Family Columbidae Genes Cura Sapiens Cura Victoria Population size tens over 20,000. Lifespans 20 over 25 years. Weight 3.5 kg. Length 73 over 74 centimeter. A vacant crowned pigeon is a large bluish gray pigeon with elegant blue can-like crest, maroon brains and red eyes. It is part of a genus of four unique, very large ground dwelling pigeons natives to the New Guinean regions. The bird may be easily recognized by the uncles with types of its crest and by its deep hopping seconds made while calling. Distributions Victoria Crowned pigeons are found with northern New Guinea and southern Iceland and in parts of Indonesia. They inhabit lowlands, moist and swamp forests and offer crops in a rest and we former lower playing including Sagan's associates. Geographies countries Oceania Asia subcountries Southeast Asia countries Indonesia Papua New Guinea. Habitat and lifestyle.